So students, let's start up the topic of size. So the first point that we had discussed under the topic size was landmass area. What is the landmass area of India? It's 3.28 million square kilometers. Then India, it accounts for about 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world. Then in terms of land boundary, the point that we had discussed was the land boundary of India is 15,200 kilometers. Length of its coastline, that is 7,516.6 kilometers. And India is the 7th largest country in the world. Let's quickly see these points with the help of the map now. So students, if we are going to see this map, what we are going to notice, first point that I have told you, landmass area. तो landmass area क्या होगा? This internal part which is there, this would be termed as the landmass area. तो what is this landmass area? 3.28 million square kilometers. और इसको अगर आप परसेंटेज के टर्म्स में देखोगे तो वो कितना है? इंडिया इज अकाउंटिंग फॉर 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world. Then the next point that I have told you, that is land boundary. Land boundary क्या होगा? This external boundary which is there, this external boundary is known as the land boundary of India, and this land boundary of India is 15,200 kilometers. Then the next one that we had done, that is length of coastline. Now coastline कौन सा region होगा? This region, the area which is exposed to the sea. So the length of the coastline of India is 7,516.6 kilometers. And the last point that we had done, that is India is the 7th largest country in the world. Now let's talk about the first largest one. So the first largest country which is there, it is Russia. Which one is the first largest one? That is Russia. Then the second largest one, that is Canada. Then after that, third largest one, USA. Then the fourth largest one, it's China. The fifth largest one, Brazil. The sixth largest one, that's Australia. And finally the seventh largest one that we had already discussed, that is India. It's having the landmass area of 3.28 million square kilometers. Then one key also I have told you to learn these countries in the sequence. That was Ru, Ka, Sa, China, बड़ा, आगे, India. How we had learned through this key? Ru, it stands for Russia. Ka, it stands for China. Sa, आपको यहाँ पे सिर्फ क्या करना है? U insert करना है, then it would be USA, the third largest one. Then after that the fourth largest one, China. बड़ा, that is B, उससे क्या लोगे? Brazil. आगे A, Australia. And finally the seventh largest one is India. Then other than that, in terms of north, northwest and northeast. Towards north, northwest and northeast, India, it is bounded by Youngfold Mountains. That is इंडिया के नॉर्थ, नॉर्थ वेस्ट, नॉर्थ ईस्ट में क्या सिचुएटेड है? दैट इज यंगफोल्ड माउंटेन्स. ठीक है. देन अप्रोक्सीमेटली एट 22 degrees, what happens? India starts to taper itself. Now let's see these 2 points again with the help of the map. Towards north, northwest and northeast, क्या बताया मैंने? इधर इंडिया में क्या सिचुएटेड है? This region of India, this is having Youngfold Mountains. In chapter 2 also in detail we have discussed about these Youngfold Mountains. And towards south, that is approximately at 22 degrees. यहाँ पे मैप में देखो आपको दिखाई देगा 20 degrees. इसके above यहाँ पे जाओगे तो near about at 22 degrees at this region, what happens? The India, it starts to taper itself. Then one more point we had done over here, that was latitudinal and longitudinal extensions of the mainland of India. What is that latitudinal and longitudinal extension of the mainland of India? It's 30 degree. And what influences the duration of day and night? That point also we had done. That is, the latitudinal extents, it influences the duration of day and night. Other than that, we have over here also discussed about standard meridian. What is the degree of this standard meridian? It's 82 degree 30 east. ठीक है, 82 degree 30 east. And what we have done, actually, if we are going to move from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, that is from this point from west to east, so that time what we are going to notice, that there is the time lag of 2 hours. In total there is the time difference of 2 hours. But what we have done, to follow the same timing throughout the country, this standard meridian which is passing from Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh over here, that is being taken as the standard time for the whole country. Whatever is the timing in this Mirzapur, Uttar Pradesh, it is followed as the standard time for the whole country. Now why we have done so? Why we have taken this as the standard time for the whole country? Reason, क्या होता अगर हमने ये फॉलो नहीं किया होता तो there would have been the time difference in various parts of our country. So to avoid that confusion, we have followed this standard meridian of India. It has prevented the confusion in timing, it has brought harmony in timing. So that is why we are using this as the standard time for the whole country. Other than that, we have also discussed about India's neighbors. So let's discuss about India's neighbors with reference to this map now. Political map of India. Let's see these with the help of this political map. First of all, let's talk about the northwestern neighbors of India. नॉर्थ वेस्टर्न, कौन सा पार्ट होगा नॉर्थ वेस्ट इंडिया का? दिस वन। तो यहाँ पे कौन कौन से कंट्रीज सिचुएटेड है? पाकिस्तान, अफगानिस्तान। तो what would be the terms which will be used for northwestern neighbors? That would be India's northwestern neighbors would be Pakistan and Afghanistan. कौन कौन से कंट्रीज हो गए? पाकिस्तान एंड अफगानिस्तान. Then if we are going to move towards this region, तो यहाँ पे कौन कौन से कंट्रीज सिचुएटेड है? नॉर्दर्न नेबर्स स्पेसिफिकली कौन कौन से कंट्रीज बोलोगे? China, Nepal and Bhutan. Then towards south when we are going to move, so that is Sri Lanka and Maldives. कौन कौन से countries? Sri Lanka and Maldives. The eastern neighbors which are there, that would be Bangladesh and Myanmar. Let's see these once again. India's neighbors, कौन कौन से नेबर्स? नॉर्दर्न नेबर्स, which countries would be termed as the northern neighbors? China, Nepal and Bhutan. Then northwestern neighbors, Pakistan, Afghanistan. Eastern neighbors, Bangladesh, Myanmar and southern neighbors, Sri Lanka and Maldives. So students, that's it for today. Now one more topic for the revision is left out from this chapter, that is India in the world, that we are going to discuss tomorrow. Thank you class.